Alright, Jersey Jaguar, back at you another video, and today I got another how to stylize a jersey video. This time obviously it's going to be a football shirt, aka a soccer kit, and it's none other than the Adidas player version authentic Messi jersey home heartbeat kit with the sponsors on there. So guys, what I do is I take stuff from my closet and I create different outfits for different jerseys. So today's video is going to be one jersey, 3 different outfits. Let's get to it.
Outfit number 1.
Alright, so for outfit number 1, I wanted to go with a all Adidas look, and I went with white pants instead of black to go non-traditional and just to give it a little bit more pop. And then we got the black shoes at the bottom to pull the black in from the straps in the pants and the details on the shirt. So color coordinating was a big thing here. Alright, and on top we're going to have a 2023-2024 Adidas intermiami CF Messi jersey, guys. This one does have the sponsors on the sleeves, and it is the player version authentic. Guys, the home heartbeat pink kit is a awesome jersey for Messi to debut in. All right, and on bottom we are going to have some Adidas Tiro 23 soccer track pants. Guys, check out my review on these. They're awesome pants and a definite upgrade over the 21. And then on bottom we're going to have some standard Adidas running shoes. Guys, I love how the 3 stripes go on the shoes, the pants, and the jersey. The white pants really make this outfit pop, while the black pulls in the black details throughout.
Outfit number 2.
Alright, so for outfit number 2, I really wanted a Florida feel, so I got the collar popped, and I have some MCM sunglasses. Now guys, we are going to have black jeans with some black high fashion sneakers. Again, I really wanted a South Miami feel to this, guys. I really wanted to be fitting. The details throughout the jersey looks great. I wanted the focus to be on the jersey and the rest of the outfit to be really subtle. Hence, you see what you see right here. All right, and again, we're going to have that collar popped in this one. You can have it down or popped. Either way, it's up to you. But the MCM sunglasses are a great accessory for this outfit. Guys, the jersey, of course, again, is going to be that 23-24 Messi home heartbeat player authentic version. And then finally at the bottom we're going to have some black stretched skinny DKNY jeans, and I do have the jeans rolled up at the bottom so they don't scrunch. I really wanted to have full view of the shoes, and the shoes are going to be some John Galliano made in Italy embossed leather high top sneakers.
Outfit number 3.
Alright, and outfit number 3 is going to be my favorite out of the bunch. Guys, I wanted to show my creativity. I love suits, I love jerseys, so why not throw the 2 together? Being that this jersey does have a collar, it looks great with the suit. We even got the matching handkerchief. And you know what? I had to throw in a fedora for some extra flair and extra swag to really give life to this Miami-based jersey. Alright, and kicking things off on top to accessorize, we are going to have a matching fedora. You could also do it without the fedora, still looks good. Also for the accessories, we are going to have a men's warehouse handkerchief. Now for the blazer, it is a Houndstooth Banana Republic blazer. Now for the jersey, we still got that same Messi jersey, and guys, you can have the collar in or out, it doesn't matter. This top half looks awesome either way. Alright, and finally on bottom, to match the blazer, we are going to have some Houndstooth Banana Republic slacks. And guys, as for the shoes, nothing too crazy. We do have a pair of Bakubuchi black dress shoes and no socks for this outfit. Alright guys, and there you go. Let me know out of those 3 which you like the best. Also let me know in the comments how you like to stylize your soccer jerseys. Guys, I'm going to have some more coming up in the future. I'll see you at the next one.